And here we have the easy startup, as we know it from the Diamonds. Strobe lights on, engine master on. Let's check oil pressure is 0, that's clear. Prop area clear, blow is gone. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go. Here we are.
This is so easy.
Again, huh? And off we go. What runway do we have? Okay.
It's 27.
27? Ooh, let's go. Okay, gear test is done. And let's take a look on the alternators. The alternator 1 is okay. Fine. Yeah, we have 2 alternators on this aircraft, which is nice. Alternator 1 is taking the ship system, and alternator 2 is here for the air condition. And just in case alternator 1 quits, we can switch alternator 2 to the ship system, which is nice. We don't need that now. And one more check. Let me get this up. Fuel valve. As usual, it takes from the left side and returns the return flow into the left side. And if you put that over to the emergency, it will take it from the right side.
So basically the same system like the 40?
No, it's very similar. Little differences, but very similar.
Oh, these Diamonds. Every type is like...
Yeah.
Got something from the other type.
Easy transitions. And you will see once you're in there how easy this aircraft flies. Good. And as we know it from the other Diamonds, very easy engine run-up. Temperatures are good. We press the test button. Governor cycling. Or propeller control valve.
Interesting.
Happy with that?
It's going down to a lower RPM much longer than the 40 or
right,
the 42s.
Yeah, right.
Or even the 62.
Hey buddy, ready to go?
I am ready.
Okay. 127 on discretion with that track of Tango Whiskey. Yeah,
Thank
with
you.
masks today.
Yes.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
Stay safe, guys. Good, ready to go. Heading check. We're now 272.
I'm ready.
Take a power check. Everything fine, brakes release. Power is set.
Oh, nice
and airspeed
acceleration.
alive. Yeah.
Different with 300 horsepower in the front.
So let me check. 60 knots. 66 rotates. Looking for 79. You're up. Turn. We're gonna get the flaps up. Looking for 94. And the maximum continuous power is 90%.
Also different.
Yeah, little differences.
2%, I mean,
There you go.
there's nothing.
Just remember, get it out of the yellow.
Haha.
What do we have over here? ADS-B traffic 1200 feet crossing from left to right. That's the twin otter.
Yep.
There you go. Inside, no worries. Okay, landing lights, taxi lights off. We leave the others on. And time cruise check. Nothing else to do.
Lights, flaps, power.
We could.
How is it with the cowl flaps? Because this aircraft actually has cowl flaps on the sides, right?
This has cowl flaps left and right, but it's very easy. You just have 2 positions. It's an open and closed position. For the high power, slow speed regimes, you open it, and once you're at cruise level, you close it.
Yeah.
And just before landing, you open it again, just in case of a go around, and you put full power again. It's just to increase the airflow through the cowling.
Okay.
And therefore increase the cooling of the engine.
Okay.
But Again, we have a water-cooled engine, the temperature stays nice. Yeah, just have an eye on that. Yeah, so I keep it for the climb on open.
Yeah.
Even probably it's not necessary at these temperatures. And in cruise, then we're gonna close it. We are just climbing out of Wiener Neustadt, the headquarters of Diamond Aircraft, south of Vienna, here in Austria, in Central Europe. Yeah, if you want to show that.
You see it here.
Media speed traffic around.
So here is Vienna Airport. Moscow Whiskey Whiskey.
And they cleared us just up to flight level 120, which is nice. So we can do a little bit of cruise performance up
and
there.
If you wonder where we actually really are on planet Earth,
there you go.
This is to make it exactly right. This is north up now on the camera.
And this is where you live in forest cities, right?
Ah, exactly.
Austria, yeah, forest cities. We always live in forest cities. A lot of forest if you look down there.
Yeah, many explosive trees down there. Camera is still on. Hi there.
That's a great idea, Micke.
I'm very curious how it looks like. You will see it by now, how it looks like.
Is it? That aircraft is so solid in the air.
Yeah, it's surprisingly smooth.
You trim it how you like it and it just takes it.
So you basically not
nothing.
doing anything.
No, autopilot is off. Why should I?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. And if you're looking up here, what this is again for the air condition, so which we don't need today. And the air condition is again electrically powered by, as I said already, alternator 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some of you might ask now, why is the middle bar installed here and not on the 62? This got a reason, because now you have a
that's
heavy engine in the front.
Right. And this is for the bending moment of the fuselage, so you need to support that. So, leveling off at 12,000 at flight level 120.
So let's see what this bird can do.
Now, so we still have 87% of power available, as you see. So that's good. The power flap close.
Power flaps closing.
So there's not much to think about it, you just have a flip-flop key.
Yeah.
There you go, we got 170 already.
Yeah.
Give it 1 or 2 more minutes and we see the 180.
Amazing how smooth it is. That's a game changer.
Yeah, and you know, again, single lever power control.
Yeah.
Get everything what you need.
Yeah.
We're just burning now 14 gallons an hour. Yeah.
With almost 90%.
Right, and we're doing 180 knots per airspeed.
If you look at the speed tape, let me just get it. Oh, at 161, I believe, is the landing gear extension.
162.
Yeah,
162
really cool.
is the landing gear, so it still goes into the yellow range, which is nice. And here we are, 180. Level flight. Yeah, nothing more we want. Let's have a look on 75%.
Yeah.
But this is also the recommended cruise power setting.
75?
Yeah, 75. It's a good trade-off about fuel flow and speed.
Yeah.
And as you see over here, we're approaching now about the 170. Yeah. And now let's take a look on the 50%, which is obviously somewhere in the range of longest range setting. And we are back at 8.5 gallons per hour. So, I promise that we stay in the area, so let's turn around again.
50%.
Or you like to do a right turn for the good camera?
Yeah, let's do a right turn. This is Schneeberg below us, right?
Very famous.
You know what would be interesting? When we're that high up, to do a stall.
Sure.
Like how it behaves when you stall.
Yeah. Sure.
That would be amazing to see. Because I believe these slotted power flaps,
they get the stall speed quite down a bit.
Yeah.
That's really nice. Let's stall it. Why not?
Yeah.
Let's make a stall first on the on idle power and clean configuration.
Check gear.
There's the gear warning.
Good one. Trim backwards.
Check gear.
Yeah. Check gear. It thinks it was landing because
Check
the power
gear.
lever is back.
Is it also the 20%?
Yeah, same thing.
So when the
Check
power lever is
gear.
behind 20%, you get the gear warning. Just as a reminder.
So we cleared flight level 120 and
Check
below, so we
gear.
can anytime descend as well. Stall warning.
Check
Should
gear.
we be scary? What should we say about stall warning? We recover? No.
Check
Bigger for it.
gear.
We look what it does.
Gear.
So everything is beeping.
I'm sorry,
then, huh?
Micke, this is what it is. I'm at the backstop.
What?
Check gear.
You're fully back?
I'm fully back. This is what it is.
And it knows it's dropping.
Check
No,
gear.
I'm sorry.
Nothing happening.
Sorry, this is what it is. And with the vortex generators on the outboard of the wings,
Yeah,
you see that?
You see it
I
also
can,
good
I
on
can
the...
still remain in the full developed stall. It's nicely controllable with the ailerons. Do you see that?
This is
Yeah.
flight idle.
Check
Oh, I'm
gear.
sorry. It's not more.
Amazing.
Huh? So let's put power and get it to normal conditions again. Gonna turn it around. And then in the other direction we're gonna
Yes.
do the landing configuration stall. So in the meantime I get the gear down. Gears in transition. Gear down 3 grains.
Yes, sir.
Flaps take off. And speed for flaps landing.
That's slowing down pretty cool.
Yeah, I said gear comes down at 162 knots. So great speed actually, right in the yellow range. Yeah, so this is also your air brake if you need. And flaps landing. And now you see actually this double slotted flaps is actually fully deployed. Yeah,
Yep.
giving you really high lift at this point. Yeah, and there we are. So getting backwards with the throttle lever again. Full trim backwards. We are at 65 knots. And pulling backwards. Oh, got 59, 57 indicated.
You are working hard with the stick back.
Yeah. Now I'm at the backstop. Okay, we got stabilized 53. We are descending with 500 feet per minute. At 1700.
And it's not even doing like any kind of buffeting or stall, nothing.
No, you keep, and it keeps controllable. See that?
This is amazing.
Yeah, fully on the backstop. And I control it until the very end where I want to land.
Holy smoke.
There you go. Yeah, I'm controlling with the aileron.
The elevator, you should see it in the back actually.
Yeah, fully back.
Yeah.
And a flight instructor would say, "Hey, what are you doing? You're not supposed to use the aileron install.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, don't do that at home." Yeah.
Disclaimer,
So
this
just
is no...
leaving the stick now and get some air speed.
Wow, what a
There we are.
recover.
So speed. Let's get the gear up. What do you say? Nice, huh?
I say I am trying now.
Check
Yeah?
gear.
Go ahead.
So,
Your controls.
my controls,
You're flying the aircraft.
my
Okay.
aircraft.
And what we can do is
Go to the Schneeberg.
whatever. Your aircraft, try it and feel what it does.
I like the power lever, it's
Yeah, you got something in the hand, huh?
it feels really stable. And then this is the trim, right? Here, like
This is a trim, yeah, try it.
Yeah.
Oh, very.
Ooh, this is cool. Oh, this must look amazing from the outside. Holy smokes.
So you enjoy your flight and go for sleep now.
Okay. What did you say? The
Cruise position.
the cruise mode or what?
Cruise mode, yeah.
Cruise mode, yeah. Oh, this is amazing. This is why we fly. Oh my
Hashtag.
god. Yeah. Well, thank you for that. Your
Sure.
controls, we're approaching.
Okay, I'll take over.
Yes, you take over.
But then let's get those lights on again. We get the pumps on again, and the gear lights are working, and the fuel selector is on normal. Okay, let's get the aircraft configured for landing. All flaps is moved to open, and gears coming down. Get on to the greens, and the call flap is open. Well, let's approach it with around 80 knots, that will be fine.
Well, thank you for that.
Yeah, thank you for joining. So test flight done for an hour.
And time to go home.
Yes.